Think you're crushing push-ups? Truth is, 80% of people are actually doing them wrong, and instead of building strength, they're silently wrecking their shoulders, wrists, and lower back. So are you in that 80% or the 20% who've mastered it? Let's find out. Mistake number 1, hands way too far forward or too wide. This doesn't just make push-ups easier in the wrong way. It overloads your shoulders and makes your chest work less. Quick check. When you set up, your wrists should stack directly under your shoulders. Think of your arms like sturdy pillars holding up a roof. Push them too far out and the whole house tilts. Keep them stacked and everything stays strong. Next, the sagging hip syndrome. You know when someone looks like a hammock instead of a plank? That dip in the lower back doesn't just look sloppy, it's grinding on your spine. The fix? Brace your core like you're about to take a punch. Imagine your abs are the foundation of a skyscraper. If they collapse, everything above them wobbles. Stay tight from head to heel. Third mistake, flaring your elbows out at a 90-degree angle. That's basically begging for shoulder pain. Here's the tweak. Tuck those elbows in at about a 45-degree angle. Not pinned to your sides, not flying out like wings, just in that sweet spot. You'll instantly feel more power through your chest and triceps. And your shoulders will thank you. Number 4, half reps. Only going halfway down or never fully locking out at the top. Sure, you'll crank out more numbers, but you're cheating your muscles. Here's the truth. Chest to about an inch off the ground. Then push all the way up until your arms are straight. Full range, full results. Think quality over quantity. 10 perfect reps beat 30 sloppy ones any day. And mistake 5, looking up like you're searching for ceiling fans or letting your head hang like a bowling ball. Both kill your posture. Instead, keep your neck neutral, ears in line with shoulders. Eyes looking slightly ahead, not at your feet, not at the ceiling. Imagine you're holding an apple under your chin. Don't drop it. Don't crush it. Once you've fixed those 5 mistakes, here's where you level up. Squeeze your glutes. Yes, your butt matters in push-ups. Drive the floor away with intent, like you're trying to push the earth down. And finally, think about pulling your chest toward the ground instead of just dropping. That subtle mindset shift makes your muscles fire like never before. Now here's your challenge. Drop down. Do 10 flawless push-ups using everything we just covered, and notice the difference instantly. Feels tougher, right? But also smoother, stronger, and safer. Remember, mastering push-ups isn't about how many you can do. It's about how well you can do them. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll be in that top 20% who truly own their form. You've got this.